Hi everyone, and welcome to today's episode of McElroy's Quick Tutorials. My name is Sergio Arellano, and I'm going to be talking today about how you can improve your job efficiency even more using environmental parameters like pipe temperature, ambient temperature, heater temperature, etc. I have a data logger here, and I'll share my screen to simulate some welds using different welding standards. I've set up a weld using a Trackstar 900 machine, and I've set it up originally using single ISO 21307 single low interfacial pressure. I have 900 mil pipe, SDR11, so very thick, very big pipe. I've already set up my heater temperatures as 215, so roughly middle of the range for that pipe. And as you can see, the welding time here is 1 hour and 21 minutes, so very long cool time. If you use ISO 21307 single low force or single low interfacial pressure, we'll go back and change that to ISO 21307 single high interfacial pressure. Same pipe parameters, same heater temperatures. As you can see, a lot higher pressures, but the cooling time is now 35 plus minutes, let's say 36 minutes, so roughly, so less than half than the single low pressure case. Now if we want to improve that even further, we can use ASTM 2620-19 with optimized cooling, which is an optimization of ASTM 2620, which is very similar, practically identical to ISO 21307 high force. So with ASTM 2620 with McElroy Optimized Cooling, we can take into consideration the ambient temperature and the pipe temperature. In this case, I'm gonna assume, we have to measure this, but just for this case, we'll just use 30 degrees as ambient temperature and 35 degrees as pipe temperature. Also, same pipe. We need to type in the interfacial pressure, which is roughly the middle of that range. For this also, the data logger needs to know the heater temperature, which we're going to leave the same. And now, as you can see, with that same pressure, our cool time is 16 plus minutes, let's say 17 minutes. So then again, half of the time of the single high pressure standard. By using ASTM 2620 with McElroy's optimized cooling, you can see that we can improve our efficiency very, very much just by taking into consideration this these variables. So if your project will allow to use ASTM 2620, we can show you how to use McElroy's Optimized Cooling to improve your efficiency even more. So give us a call if you're interested in more information about this, and stay tuned for more McElroy's quick tutorials.